Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your whites in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app here at the main page. Here you can do all sort of things, but now we're just gonna focus on adjusting our whites in a picture. For that, if you wanna do that, you wanna click on this blue button at the top called Photo Editor. Click on that. Here you have to choose a photo for you to edit. I'm gonna choose this random one. Here you have these buttons at the bottom. They're also different things, but now we're gonna choose adjustments. You have to scroll this a little bit and you have that whites. You have to select that. And you have this thing which you can adjust, and if you adjust it, you play with your whites. You can set it as high, as low as you want. So yeah, you can really customize it as you would like. And yeah, that's how you adjust your whites in a picture in Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, see you in the next one.